This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Taryn DeRose. Solar-powered townhome in the popular Whitehall community. This must-see townhome offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with an attached garage. The first level features hardwood floors throughout with an open concept floor plan, spacious family room, dining area, and kitchen. The newly upgraded kitchen offers a large island, stainless appliances, recessed lighting, and subway tile backsplash. The second level offers a wonderful master suite complete with large walk-in closet, ensuite with double vanity and stand-in shower. There are 2 additional bedrooms with lots of natural light with custom cabinetry and shelving, full bath, and laundry room. Walk out back to a spacious and private outdoor patio for your personal enjoyment or for all of your entertaining needs. Lawn care, trash removal, swimming pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, and playground are amenities included in the community. Do not let this perfect home get away. For more information,